Hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. I want to walk you through how to use the Kumoo AI software. With the introduction of Kumoo AI, many of your retouching photo editing techniques can be done in a matter of seconds. Right. Kumoo AI is a standalone software that helps you retouch your pictures from start to finish. From removing wrinkles from clothes to removing blemishes, smooth skin, sky replacement, facelift, adjust body, and many other amazing features. Now, to download Kumoo AI, all you have to do is to go to the website kumoo.ai. Then you can click on get started for free. Now you can register, download the software, and try it out. Now let me take you through the software and show you how it actually works. Kumoo AI is available for Windows and as well as for MacBook. Now this is the interface and it looks very friendly. If you click on this button, you will be able to import pictures into the software. I mean the pictures that you want to edit. However, I already have my pictures in there, so I'm just going to open it and I'll walk you through how I use Kumoo AI to edit. If you are new to this channel, remember to subscribe and like, and of course share this video so that many other people are going to benefit from it. Now without further ado, let's jump into it. Now I have a couple of pictures here that I want to walk you through it. Now look at this picture, a maternity picture, which I'm going to be walking you through it. Now this is the picture before I start retouching it. As you can see, there are a lot of wrinkles on her face. The background is messed up. She has a lot of stretch mark and many things on her skin. Now I'm going to use Kumoo AI software to fix all the issue from start to finish. Follow me. First of all, I go to the acne for the face and I remove it. Now this stretch mark, if you scroll down on the remove blemish slider, you will see stretch mark, and then once you toggle on it, in a matter of seconds the stretch mark is gone. Now there are many other features on the blemish remover, such as acne remover for body. Then we have the body's blemishes, and you have the matte, but I'm not going to do that. I go to the forehead wrinkles, and then I go to dark cycles. Right, then I go to wrinkle around eye. That's just a little. Right, I'm going to leave the cheek line, the smile line, because I want the pictures to still look very natural. Now in case the person in the picture is having double chin, you can always click on it from here and remove the double chin, and you can fix the stretch mark here. Now let us see the before and the after. Now just on the blemish remover slider, I've been able to fix many of the issues with the picture. Now let us go to the skin. Here's the before and here's the after. Before and after. With the blemish remover, I've been able to clear all the blemishes on the skin. Now let's go to natural gray leveling. Now this is going to fix all the skin and make it smooth. This we call micro dodge and burn. Now if you look at it, here's the before and here's the after. Now you can reduce it or increase it anyhow it works for the particular picture that you are retouching. Natural gray contour, I'm just going to fix it also at 50 because I want it to look natural. Now skin refinement help you adjust your skin, but I don't want to use it on this particular picture. Let us see. Here's the before and here's the after. Before and after. Before and after. As you can see, all the skin issues, they have been fixed. Now if I scroll down to frequency separation, this allows me to apply frequency separation on the body and as well as on the face. Now I'm just going to turn it on a little, and that's here's the before and the after. Before and after. Now you can adjust the frequency separation however you like based on the kind of pictures that you are doing. Now you can use a skin texture that actually gives the face a lot of texture and make it look even much real. Now you can brighten the skin tone, you can whiten it, add rosy skin tone balance. Now I'm going to skip brightness whitening because our skin is already white. Then for the skin tone balance, for the face skin tone balance, now what that does, it balances the skin tone of the face and the body all together. Now for the body also, I can balance the skin tone. Now what that does is the skin tone on the face and the body, they are now looking very similar. Here's the before and here's the after. Before and after. Now you can come to skin tone multiple. Now what this does is it balances all the entire skin all together to have the same shade as well as the same color. Here is the before and here is the after. Before and after. All these in a matter of seconds. Now you can come to skin tone and then you can pick any skin tone that works for you. I think I love this. I'm just going to reduce the intensity and that is good. Now if you look at her face, you see that her hair strands is flying all over. So I will close the skin slider. Now I can use the face volume to adjust the face however I like. Face reshape, then I'll go to hair. Now if you come to the straight hair, if you drag it all the way, all the hair will be removed in a matter of seconds. Here is the before and here is the after. Here is the before and here is the after. Before and after. Before and after. Now the hair strands flying around are all gone, right? Before and after, before and after. If you go to the eye, you can brighten the eye however you like. Then you can remove the redness on the eyeball. Now I'm just going to remove the redness a little, and in case she's putting on glasses, you can actually remove the reflection or glasses gear. Here's the before and the after. Before and after. And as you can see, it's looking really good. Before and after. You can go to the teeth and then remove blemishes on the teeth, and of course whiten the teeth. Now one of my favorite picture is straightening the teeth. I can straighten the teeth if it is not balanced. There's the before and the after. Before and the after. As you can see, it has balanced the teeth. Now the background wrinkles, I want to deal with that. So I come to background here and then you go to retouch and then clean background. Once I drag this all the way, it's going to fix the background. Here is the before and here is the after. Before and after. Before and after. Also you can proceed to enhance the background, but I'm not going to use that for the purpose of this session. Let me take you through how I edit family portrait with Kumoo AI. Now if you come to this particular picture, for instance, you can see that there is a man, a woman, and of course a baby girl on the picture. That is family portrait. Now with the head of Kumoo AI, you can choose who you want to retouch individually, even in one single picture. Now if you go to man, you can simply open the slider here and retouch for man. Then when you are done, you can go to woman and retouch for woman. You can go to child and retouch for child. Now if you look at the picture originally before it has been edited, as you can see all the skin. So let me edit for man first. I remove acne body blemish, and I go to skin, natural gray leveling, natural gray contour. Here's the before and the after. Before and the after. Now it has fixed the skin for the man. Now I can stroll furthermore and work on the frequency separation also for face. As you can see, now I've been able to retouch the man alone. Here's the before and here's the after. Before and the after. Now I want to balance the teeth, so I can close the slider of the skin. Then I go all the way to the teeth and I can whiten the teeth, brighten it also, and I can straighten the teeth. Here is the before and here is the after. Before and after. Before and after. Now I go to the woman slider and I can go to remove blemish, remove her acne blemish, remove the body blemishes, forehead wrinkles, dark circle, wrinkles around eye, smile line, lip line, neck wrinkles. Just blemishes for the woman. Here is the before and here is the after. Before and after. Now I close the remove blemish slider and I come to the skin. Now I can click on natural skin, natural gray leveling for the woman. Here is the before and the after. Natural gray contour. I can go to frequency separation for face and then frequency separation for body. Here is the before and here is the after. Before and after. Before and after. Now for the lady, I can decide to add a skin tone for her, skin tone for face, skin tone for body, skin tone multiple. Now I'm going to reduce that because it's too much on her skin. Here is the before and here is the after. Now I go to the eye to whiten her eye. I can brighten the eye, then remove the redness. Now I can come to the child also. Now when you get to the child, you can remove the acne for face, acne body, blemishes for baby. Then you can stroll down and do many other things. Here is the before and here is the after. Before and after. Now I go to skin and I click on natural gray leveling, natural gray contour, and as you can see, our skin is looking good already, even without using the frequency separation feature. Now I want to whiten the eye of the baby girl, so I'm going to come to eye slider and brighten it, then remove the redness. So I want to remove the wrinkles on the clothes, and to do this manually can take a lot of hours. However, on the Kumu AI software, all you have to do is come to this cloth retouch, and then you come to this wrinkle remover, and then you drag it all the way. Now after removing the wrinkles on the clothes, you can as well proceed to remove all the edges of the clothes that are looking rumpy. Now to do that, you come to edge smoothing and then you drag it all the way. As you can see, here's the before and here's the after. Before and after, all the clothes edges, rumples, they are all gone. And that is how you edit group portraits on Kumu AI. Now any other way you want to do it, any other work, you can just use the same method. Now if you come to this, if you look at this portrait picture, there are many things to be fixed on the picture. Now I've edited this picture from start to finish on the Kumu AI. Now the next thing I want to do is copy everything I did on this picture and paste it on other similar pictures. Now to do that, I will press Ctrl or Command C, and it's going to bring out the dialog to show me everything I have done on this particular picture. Then I scroll down and click on confirm. Then I come to other pictures like it, then I'm just going to paste it. Now as you can see, this particular picture, after pasting it, I still need to fix the background, the distractions, and the rumpiness on the background. Now to do that, I'll go to background. As you can see, it has pasted the editing. Then I go to clean background, and then here's the before and the after. Before and after. Then I'll remove the imperfection. Here's the before and the after. Before and the after. Now everything I did here also, I'm going to copy it by clicking Ctrl or Command C, and then I click confirm. Then I paste it on this. Now I'm just going to paste it like this with Ctrl or Command V. And here is the before and the after. Before and after. That is how you retouch your picture from start to finish on Kumu AI. Now if you subscribe to this channel and you stick around, you are going to be getting much more video on how to use many other features on this Kumu AI, such as the filter, the color adjustment, the sky replacement, and many other features. To get the software, go on the Kumu AI website, download it, try it out for free, and then you can proceed to subscribe.